You've been searching for a lavaliere microphone, and then you decided, no, I don't want to be tied down by wires. You want to run wild and free, and I get it. So let me liberate you with my latest $100 audio bargain, the Synco G1. In April 2019, Rode launched the Wireless Go, a clip and go wireless microphone for $200. Needless to say, audio bargain hunters got excited. Previously, if you wanted a wireless lav mic, you'd be looking at parting with around $600 on a pocket bulging, AA battery munching audio beast. And having tried the Rode Wireless Go after its release, I wanted to look into the market of budget wireless mics. And what better place to start than the Synco G1? It's available for half the price of that leading brand at just $99. There are two main components to this device. There's the transmitter microphone and the receiver unit. They use a digital 2.4 gigahertz signal to connect each other, and also in the box is a separate lav mic and all the cables that you'll ever need to connect this audio setup. There's also a dead cat, or as maybe animal lovers prefer, a wind muff, and this is all housed in a convenient carry case. As for battery life, well, both the transmitter and the receiver have an internal 400 mAh battery quoted at 5 hours of record time. When it comes to recharging via USB, you can anticipate around 90 minutes for a full charge. Just like the Rode Wireless Go, the transmitter unit has an internal microphone. The audio setup here seems to cover as much as the leading brands. So let's take a look at some of those good bits of the Synco G1. On the move, you'll appreciate how quickly the G1 starts up and pairs. The 2.4 gigahertz connection is both strong and stable, even when out of line of sight. The addition of a built-in high-pass filter is a welcome feature too, and much like you would expect from the more expensive mics, this does a great job at helping you to clean up your recordings by cutting out all noise below 180 Hz, which is typically where you'll find a lot of the wind and breath noise. Unlike expensive wireless lavaliers of the past, this is super lightweight. Really, this just adds to the ease of use and accessibility, and in truth, a bit more weight would be reassuring, but I kind of see the advantages. If I'm honest, my favourite way to use this is with the external lavaliere microphone plugged into the transmitter unit. It works a lot better for your talking heads and interview shots, and it allows for better microphone positioning to minimise fabric noise and interference. In all, I have to say it's an impressive unit for the price, but it's not all good news. So I've just switched over to the unedited audio, totally clean out of this Synco G1. And what I love about this is untreated audio drives AJ nuts. As you'll hear, there is a lot of noise produced by this mic since we switched from the studio setup. This is possibly from the analog to digital conversion on the transmitter. And yes, it's a pretty easy fix in post, but for this video, I want untreated audio. Sorry, AJ.
Thanks.
Equally, the EQ of the microphone isn't great. By that, I mean the tone of the mic is very middly. This is made even worse by the high pass filter, which to my ear is set too high, removing too much of the bottom end of my voice, resulting in this less than ideal tone. When we look at the build quality, we start to see that this is clearly a cheaper unit. With its all plastic design, there's really just no hiding it. You bought cheap. The transmitter unit, when used as the microphone, it picks up a lot of interference from clothing noise, and obviously there is a lot more surface area on the transmitter than the small lav mic, and perhaps there's not enough shielding to protect it from that movement noise. I actually really low-key like the Synco G1. I think it delivers considerably more value than what you pay for, and as such, it's a great choice for beginners taking their next step in their audio video world. But if you can afford a slightly larger budget, by that I mean double, then hold out for the big brand version, who have just released an updated model. Brands like Rode just guarantee higher quality and ultimately will make your video far above that next step better. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to read more, then check out our blog. And for more on the Synco G1, I've dropped some links down below. Remember, thumbs show love, so be careful where you put them. That's all for this one. See you in the comments. Bye! This is the Synco G1.
This is our latest giveaway. Enter, watch our video. It's the Synco G1 wireless lav mic. Yes, for free for you, our followers.
Every video.
Carry on.
Every video. That's because I bought it. And if you don't want to enter, just keep scrolling and there'll be a video about something else.
Bye.
100 quid.